So this is my chicken and veggie fajitas with guac recipe. It's easy, doesn't require much prep time, so it's great for a weekday dinner. I'm starting with the guac, 2.5 avocados, half a chopped red onion, a chopped small tomato, and some lime. Now for the seasoning for the chicken: garlic powder, coriander, oregano, paprika, my Indian spices, garam masala, cumin, cayenne pepper, chili powder. Next, I'll fry my veggies. I don't add any spices because I've already put so many spices to my chicken, and everything will come together at the end. Add in my seasoned chicken and fry. I'll add in my veggies. I'll give my tortilla a little bit of a toast. And then combine everything. And that's really it. It's so easy, doesn't require much prep time, so it's great for a weekday dinner. It's so good, it's so healthy. So give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and a bigger thanks for subscribing.